Picture this. You whip up a jaw-dropping 3D VFX video for your brand, one that looks like it rolled straight out of Hollywood without a big studio. No marathon editing sessions, and zero deep pockets. Sounds wild, right?
I mean, honestly, a few years ago, that would have felt science fiction. But now, with tools like CineFX AI popping up, it's suddenly a promise you can't just ignore, especially if you're a content creator or a small business on a tight timeline.
Exactly, and that promise is why CineFX AI caught my eye. It's supposed to turn any product or idea into a cinematic VFX video with barely any effort. But is it really that easy, or is it just another overhyped app?
That's what I was dying to know. Because if it genuinely works, imagine the difference for freelancers or marketers. No more scrambling for a video team every time you want a scroll-stopping reel. Let's break down what CineFX AI actually claims to do.
Alright, so let's walk through how it actually works. You start by entering your product name, a quick description, and what you want the video to communicate. Then you just hit go.
And that's where the magic supposedly happens. The AI takes over, creating 3D visuals, voiceovers, music, all the jazz. I love that you can pick a format too, like Instagram Reel or Facebook ad, and just publish it in a couple clicks.
I tested it with a fake product, Smart Gadget X, and asked for a dramatic 10-second Instagram ad. Honestly, it spit out a sleek video in minutes. Rotating 3D product, moody lighting, even suspenseful music. Way faster than I expected.
That sounds awesome for quick turnarounds. Though I did wonder when they say 8 Kelvin cinematic, is that standard for everyone? Or are there catches with export settings or what hardware you're using?
Good catch. The high-res exports depend on your plan and your device's muscle. Also, even if it's no skills needed, your initial input matters. A lazy script still gets you a meh result.
Totally. So if you're dreaming of Marvel-level effects, you'll need to polish things up or use extra tools. But for rapid-fire ads and reels, this could be a game changer. Speaking of which, who do you think this is really for?
Funny you ask. I kept thinking about that while testing. The sales pitch hits 4 main crowds: digital marketers who need thumb-stopping ads, solo creators or YouTubers, freelancers and agencies, and small business owners trying to look pro without a big budget.
And honestly, that covers a ton of people. If you're running Facebook ads or you're that one-person show cranking out content for TikTok, a tool like this could save you hours and dollars every week.
Exactly. Agencies could even use it to offer premium video ads to clients without having to build an entire VFX pipeline or hire extra staff. Commercial licenses are included, which is a pretty slick angle for freelancers.
But just because the tool fits the audience doesn't make it perfect. Let's talk pros and cons, because I spotted a few things that might trip people up.
Honestly, the speed is wild. The difference between waiting days for edits and having a ready-to-post video in minutes, it's a lifesaver, especially for fast-moving social trends.
That's what grabbed me too. Plus, everything is bundled scripts, voiceover, thumbnails, so you don't have to juggle a million apps. It's a major value add if you're running solo.
But Hollywood level is a stretch. The videos look great for ads and reels, but don't expect blockbuster CGI. Also, results depend on what you feed into it. A vague prompt means the output might disappoint.
Not to mention, the pricing can sneak up on you. The entry cost is low, but unlocking unlimited features or higher resolution exports usually means upgrading. Oh, and make sure that refund policy is legit before diving in.
Legit advice. Plus, most reviews floating around are from the vendor, so it's still early days for independent feedback. But for the right use fast, eye-catching social video, it's a strong contender. Let's talk money because that trial price is tempting. Around $17 gets you in the door. But there are monthly plans, upsells, and all sorts of extras if you want the full toolkit or unlimited usage.
And those extras can add up, especially if you need agency rights or team access. Before you buy, check exactly what's included at each level. If you only need a few videos, the entry plan is probably fine, but for serious volume, factor in the upgrades.
Also, don't skip the fine print on refunds. The 30-day guarantee sounds great, but always read the conditions. Sometimes the clock starts at purchase, not your first use.
I've learned that lesson the hard way. Basically, weigh what you'll get out of it versus what you're paying, especially if you're eyeing those higher-tier packages.
So, bottom line, if you want to crank out pro-looking videos fast, especially for ads or social CineFX, AI is definitely worth a test drive. It streamlines the process, boosts your visuals, and could even help you monetize if you're working with clients.
And if you're in the world of full-blown film VFX, it's probably not a total replacement, but for social content, it's hard to beat the speed and simplicity. I'd say, grab the low offer if you're curious and see how far you can push it on your next project.